Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and I love having handmade items in my home. To me, that's what makes it a home. And so, when I saw this rag rug by Lush Ambience, I knew that I had to have it because this is a hand woven rug. It is absolutely beautiful. Not only is this beautiful rug hand woven, but it also uses recycled and excess fabrics, which keeps those out of landfills. I love the nice black and tan neutral tones. They look beautiful and really tie together this space. But with this nice geometric pattern, it's not just something that sits on the floor, it adds visual interest to the room. This rug is nice and soft without being plush. We have a dog and 2 cats, so having plush fabrics just doesn't work out in our house. I love that they have the 8x10 option for this rug because it was really able to tie this whole seating area together, letting it feel roomy and expansive, but still like it was its own space. If you really want to add handmade to your home, but you're worried that you're not going to get the same quality, then check out these rugs by Lush Ambience because you will not be compromising at all. And that's my point of view.